every day all around the world, many important events happened. Some of them are so important that we continue to remember. Let's us talk why today is special. Why 26 November is important for us. In India, we observe 26 November as the Constitution Day. So what is Constitution? The Constitution has the basic rule or law of the country. It tells us about our rights and duties. It also tells us about the rule of running our country. Under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Constitution of India was drafted. He was the head of drafting committee of the Constitution. After 3 years, the draft of the Constitution was complete and it was approved. The Constitution of India is the longest in the world. It was originally written in Hindi and English. To celebrate the birthday of Dr. Varghese Kurian, the father of White Revolution, and 26 November is celebrated as National Milk Day in India. What is the White Revolution and why is it important? In 1980s, India faced a shortage of milk supply. Dr. Kurian launched Operation Flood that helps to increase milk production. Operation Flood transformed India into the largest producer of milk in the world. It also ensured that India is self-dependent in milk production. For his efforts and contribution, he received prizes. He received awards like World Food Prize and Padma Shri. On this day in 2008, Mumbai was under attack by 10 terrorists. They attacked many locations in South Mumbai and Taj Mahal Palace Hotel and CST station. This attack went on for 3 days and until 9 terrorists were killed and 1 was captured. Many people, such as a policeman, security, and citizens, were injured and killed. Today we pay our tribute and people who sacrificed their life. In the US, this year 26 November is celebrated Welcome Giving Day because it is the day after Thanksgiving. It is also celebrate Cake Day as celebrate and honor a dessert or days that everyone likes. We also celebrate other important days in November like National Education Day on 11th November, Children's Day on 14th November. We also celebrate World Science Day on 10th November, World Kindness Day on 13th November and World Television Day on 21st November. Thank you.
In the coming month of December, we will celebrate more special days like Navy Day, World Soil Day, International Mountain Day, National Maths Day. Many special days are coming up. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed about the many special days. Share it with your friends about the special days that you know. Have a great day, all of you.